Right, for Nat 5 physics, you need to know about this little resistor. It's called a thermistor. And what happens here is when when temperature is low, resistance is high, and when temperature is high, resistance is low. So I've wired it into the negative side of this circuit. So we'll follow the circuit. We have our battery here, and that's the symbol for battery or cell or whatever. You then follow the circuit down this wire, through the fuse, but into the fuse I've wired in an amp meter. Got this one from Halfords, or Maplin's, and it was Maplin's, £5, good bargain. So we'll measure the current that's drawn when we heat up our thermistor. Then through the switch, now this switch is on, and that's the symbol for switch, through this wire and into this motor, just a simple wee motor, and then out through the negative side, into the thermistor, and back up to the negative. Now at this point, the switch is on, this switch is on, and we're reading no amps at the moment, because this is far too cold. So what we have to do is heat up the thermistor, and I've got a hot air dryer here, so it'll get a bit noisy, so I'll just heat this up, and we'll watch the amp draw, and we'll watch this motor. And this should start turning as the resistance lowers. So here we go. You should start to see the amp start to rise soon. Oh, it's quite cold, so we're at 0.02 of an amp. And I think the motor's give a wee turn there, and she's starting to go. There we go. As we heat that up, I think we get to about 0.36 of an amp. Oh, we're going higher this time. Well higher this time. We're almost driving it to half an amp, so we'll leave it at that. So that's good. So this is really warm, and as that starts to cool down, the current draw will lower because the resistance within the thermistor is getting higher. So high resistance, less current flow. So what we'll do is we'll now cool this down, we'll watch the amps drop and the motor speed drop too, fall. So anyway, just cold water, there you go, cools down the thermistor, current stops flowing, amps drop, and the motor stops. Hope that helps you for your Nat 5 physics. Thank you.